We'll guide you through how to fix your SD card not showing up on your Mac. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, go and open up your Finder and go to the top left and click on Finder and go and click on Settings. We'll start off in General. Make sure that you enable external discs, CDs, DVDs and iPods to go and show up. And as you can see, my card has now gone and appeared. Also at the top, select Sidebar in the settings and come down to Locations and go and enable external discs and CDs, etc. as well here. And hopefully that will then go and appear on the left, as you can see, SD card. If that still hasn't worked, go to the top right and click on Search and type in Disk Utility like so. And what you then need to do is locate your SD card, as it may have no name and be blank. So when mine says SD card, nothing may be there. And what you can do is right click on it and click on rename, go and give it a name if it didn't already have one, then go and eject it and you can unplug it and then re-plug it in, and that should refresh things. Hopefully this fixes your problem.